makeup person. And don't go in the sun. Stay out of the sun. Yeah. That's why I'm so
Okay.
white. I live in Egypt. I'm so white though because I stay out of the sun. I don't get a tan. I don't do that to my skin. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to ask you the next question that where are you right now?
I'm in Egypt still. Yeah. I was in Egypt in January when I talked to you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I
still
forgot
in
actually.
Egypt. Hmm.
Mhm. So is it very, do you live very close to beach? Any beach or
I'm on the
where?
beach. I'm on the Red Sea. The Red Sea. Yeah.
Oh, how far is it?
Yeah. My beach is like very close. Yeah.
So how far?
Like maybe 10 minutes by car.
Oh, okay. 10 minutes by car, it means pretty 3 or 4 kilometers maybe,
About 5 kilometers.
or
Hmm.
around 5 kilometers.
So it's
And
like I live in a huge compound. So my compound is so big. So where my villa is, it's closer to the beach than other villas, but it's still a little far to walk. But it's like a 10
yeah.
minute car ride, 15-minute bike ride, like whatever. Because there's like speed humps, the speed humps. So you can't really go too fast. Yeah. Um,
Okay. So
so it
it's
takes a
like
minute.
up
Mhm.
and down, up and down.
Like the speed hump, the speed bumps or whatever.
Yeah, speed bumps, I
But
see.
if you could just go without speed humps, like if you could just go, it'd be like a 3-minute ride by car. Like if you could just like drive without the bumps. But yeah, you have to slow down and keep slowing down. It takes a minute, but
Yeah.
yeah. But I understand why they're there. It's safer.
So how often do you go there?
Every Saturday is my beach day, but I also go on random days, sometimes on a Wednesday, sometimes on a Monday. Like I just go like twice a week. Like twice a week. Yeah.
Okay, at least twice a week.
At least, yeah. Sometimes three, but no more than three. Like three is very rare. Yeah, it's very rare. Yeah.
Because of doing other stuffs. That's why it happens.
I just stay out of the sun. I try not to go into it too much. And I just want to be here working, and I love cooking. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies. So I like my kitchen. I'd rather be home a lot of times than the beach. Yeah.
Okay, so
Are
tell
you
me
on
that.
the beach? So you're south. Are you by the water,
Uh,
the Indian Ocean?
no, actually,
Oh.
I live in a village. Okay, and
Mm.
it's quite far. So there are dams here around. Okay, there
Mhm.
are several dams here,
Mhm.
and kind of canal, not rivers, canals.
Right.
Yeah. So, and fortunately, the monsoon season starts. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. So monsoon, maybe monsoon. It's like
I
rainy
do know
season.
it.
Yeah. So
Mhm.
rainy season starts. So hopefully, I'll get to
Mhm.
see several waterfalls.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. Now that when did you move down south? When did you move?
Actually, last time, I mean last month on 5th May, I came here.
Okay, so you've only been there like a month or so, month and a half or something.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Do you like it?
Absolutely. Yeah, I like it.
You like
I
it?
like the place, and yeah, because I can see greeneries far and wide here
Mm,
around. Yeah, and mountains. There are mountains
nice.
around. Yeah,
But you're not
and
near the Indian Ocean? I feel like you would be near a beach
no,
or
no,
something.
far,
No?
very far, very far.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Because my location is it's like southwest corner. Okay, and
Mm.
Indian Ocean is in the south. Okay, right in the south.
But you're by some water
Arabian,
because
Arabian,
Goa, you
Arabian.
said Goa wasn't far, so Goa's right on the water.
Yeah, I can go there. Okay, but I need to make a plan, need to make a
Mm.
trip to go there because in this way, if I go, I can take a flight to go there, or I need to make a train plan, okay, train trip, because
Okay.
it's in another state,
Mm.
not in my state. Yeah, and the distance is quite good.
Hmm.
That's why. Yeah.
Can you
So
just
I
go
need.
to different states without? Like you don't have to have like any kind of like
Yeah, absolutely. Being an
documentation or
Indian.
anything, right? It's your country, right?
Yeah, being an Indian, I can go anywhere in
Right. It's
India.
kind of like the US. Like I can go to all these states behind me, like no problem. Yeah.
No
Right.
problem.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, I would say if you have visa and once you enter in India, you can
Hmm.
also visit every state.
You can just go around with just an entry visa into the country. Nice.
Yes,
I know I've always wanted to go to your country. I love your food. I love it. Oh,
actually,
yeah.
it's so diverse. India
I
is a
know.
diverse country. Yeah, so
Like
every
there's a lot
single
of
state.
Egyptians there. There's a lot of Asians there. There's a lot of people there. Yeah.
Yeah, we are
Americans
Asians.
probably.
We are
Mm.
Asians actually, and
Oh, I know.
I,
I mean like the
I
Oriental, like Chinese, Japanese. They're all there
ah
too. Yeah,
okay,
Oriental Asians. Hmm.
yeah. So
Hmm.
you will meet with them, but actually they are not Chinese or Japanese.
Are they Korean?
But if you talk, they might be ancestors
Mm.
of from there.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So if you visit Northeast, you will
Hmm.
encounter the people who look like them.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
there's a lot of people. Singapore, Malaysians, Thai, Vietnamese. A lot of like it's hard to know where people are from. They all kind of look Asian, you know.
yeah,
That Asian look.
exactly.
Not your Asian look, but you know the other one.
Yeah. It also
Yeah.
happens in Northeast India. Yeah. If you go
Mm.
there, it's kind of difficult to differentiate between them.
Really?
They
Okay.
are, they all look they all look like they all look alike. I mean, they
Mm.
look together.
It's
Yeah.
hard, yeah.
So you just differentiate on the basis of location.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like our time is up. It was nice to meet you today. Yeah.
Oh, then hope to see you soon.
It
I
was
I
nice
did
to see
notice
you
the
again.
time. Thank you
Yeah, no,
so
I
much.
hope to see you again. I hope it doesn't take another 6 months.
Take care.
You